Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2020 Mechanical Engineering Paper 1. Question number 46 is the thickness of a steel plate with material strength coefficient of 210 MPa has to be reduced from 20 mm to 15 mm in a single pass in a too high a roll radius of 450 mm and rolling velocity of 28 meter per minute. If the plate has a width of 200 mm and the strain hardening exponent n is 0.25, the rolling force required for the operation is dash kilonewton, round off to 2 decimal places. Note average force stress is equal to material strength coefficient into 2 strain raised power n divided by 1 plus n. Okay, so the average force stress is given. Okay, that is material strength coefficient into 2 strain raised power n divided by 1%. So here the material strength coefficient is 210 MPa, that is given, and n is given, n is 0.25, but 2 strain is not given. So we have to find out 2 strain to find out average process. So the 2 strain is your ln uh, Tf by Ti and final Ti by Tf. Okay, so this as the force is compressive, we can take 15 by 20 or 20 by 15. If it comes out, it can come out negative when we take 15 by 20, and it will come out positive when we take 20 by 15. Okay, so but the two strain is compressive, so taking this ln 20 by 15. Okay, because length is increasing and width is constant. Okay, so actually the two strain is ln lf by li. Okay, so length is increasing and your thickness is decreasing, so we can take tf by ti or ti by tf, because volume is constant and volume is your l into t into w, and we take initial and final, so and w is just same in volume equation. So so L by LF by Li will be equal to Ti by Tf. Okay. So Ti is your 20 and Tf is your 15. Okay. So we can take this answer. Okay. Because in rolling operation width remain constant and length ratio is reciprocal of this thickness ratio. Okay. So two strain is this quantity. So that is 0.2877. Okay. Now we can put here the value of two strain and find the average process. So average process is 123.03 MPa. Okay, and this average process is acting on that area of strip, and area of the strip is your L into B. L is your contact length and B is your width. So contact length is the length for which the roller is in contact with the strip. So that is given by root r to delta h. R is your radius of roller, delta h your thickness reduced. So thickness is reduced by 5 mm. It has reduced by from 20 to 15 mm. So R is 450. So this is your 47.3434 mm. So width is your width is given as 200 mm. Okay. So this is the area, and this is your average force stress. So by multiplying these two, we can find out rolling force. So this is your 1167.165 Newton or 1167.165 kilonewton. Okay, answer is 116. Okay. Next, two business owners Shweta and Ashok run their own business in two different states. Each of them, independent of other, produces two products A and B, sells them at rupees 2000 per kg and rupees 3000 per kg respectively, and uses linear programming to determine the optimal quantity of A and B to maximize their respective daily revenue. Their constraints are as follows. For each business owner, the production process is such that the daily production of A has to be at least as much as B. Okay, and The upper limit of the production of B is 10 kg per day. Second, the respective state regulation restricts Savita's production of A to be less than 20 and Ashoka's production A to be less than 15. Okay. The demand for both A and B in both the state is very high and everything produced is sold. Okay. So the absolute value of difference in daily optimal revenue of Shweta and Ashok A is dash thousand rupees, round up to 2 Okay. So it is given that the A is sold at 2000 rupees per kg and B is sold at 3000 per kg. Okay. And the constraint is that A should be higher than B. Okay. So A has to be at least as much as B, and upper limit of B is just 10 kg. So A should be higher than 10 and B can be maximum of 10. Okay. This is the first constraint. Second constraint is that Shweta's production of A is less than 20, so maximum it is 20, and Ashoka's production of A is less than 15, so it is maximum it can be 15. Okay, so Shweta's revenue is your 20. So Shweta's revenue is your 20. So maximum number the Shweta's production of A is your 20. Okay, and maximum number of B is your 10. Okay, and profit is your for A it is 2000 and this for B it is 3000. Okay, so it will be the Shweta's revenue will be 20 into A quantity 20 and 2000 and B is your 10 and profit is 3000. So its revenue is 70,000. Okay, now for the Ashok's production of A, maximum production of A is 15, and for B it is maximum production is 10. For Ashok's it is 50 into 2000 plus 10 into 3000. Okay, that is 60,000. Okay, so the difference of revenue is your difference of these two, 76,000 minus 60,000. So answer is your 10,000 rupees. Okay, as it is 10,000 rupees, 10 answer. Okay.